I have a very important question for you. Can I shove this up your booty?
What?
Can I put this in your butt?
Look, hey boss! Shush!
Pal! Ay na kung ako yan, sampalin ko yung
I
putang
stay
inang
here.
yan.
Thank you. You have a problem? You have a problem?
Oo.
You have a problem? No. What are you gonna do? Hello.
Ah, di ka puta.
Hello. 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 Paparazzi, you are messing twice on a paparazzi. Madam, I'm gonna fucking rob you if you keep walking away. I want to give you money. No, okay. Okay, because you got a COVID mask, you liberal fuck. Go get your
Tanginan to, bastos pa sa matanda o walang mundo. Kung ako nandyan, pag nakasalubong ko yan, may kalalagyan yan. Kung ako tatanungin nyo, hindi ako papayag. Na isang dayuhan, isang foreigner, babastusin yung mga kabayan natin. Tag nyo tong putang inan to. Englishin ko na ha. You and me, Vitaly, one-on-one. You better get out of my country. What's up, YouTube? Napanood nyo na ba tong kupal na to? Itong Russian na vlogger na galing Amerika. Pumunta sa Pilipinas, nag-take advantage sa kabaitan na ating mga Pilipino. Nag-take advantage rin sa virality. Feeling I show speed. Kung may epa lang, nagpapapansin ng para sa views. Tapos nangaharas pa ng mga kababayan nating nagtatrabaho. Ito, panoorin nyo to kung gusto nyo mabad trip. Kung ayaw nyo mabad trip, skip nyo na to.
Sir, I have a question.
Yes, sir.
I have a very important question for you. No, this is for documentation film about Philippines. I have a very important question for you. Can I shove this up your booty?
Guys, ganito ang mangyayari sa mga anak ninyo pag hindi kayo nagpakatatay. Pag hinayaan nyo lang mga baby mama nyo na i-raise yung mga anak ninyo mag-isa, ganito ang mangyayari. Lalaki yung anak nyong ganito. Walang disiplina. Kulang sa aruga. Kulang sa pagmamahal. Kaya sa mga may anak dyan, magpakatatay kayo. Ha?
What?
Can I put this in your butt? It's a called a new video game, Mario Kart Infinity 360. Is that okay or no? Okay.
Papansin ang puta eh, no?
Hulihin mo, kuya. Hulihin mo. Hulihin mo yan. Hulihin mo yan.
Ba't di niya inuhuli? Ba't di mo
He doesn't want to do anything. He's just
Why does he not react?
Guys,
He's not chasing me.
I know.
Yan ang problema sa atin. Pag puti, pag foreigner, nai-intimidate ang ating mga enforcers. Pero pag Pinoy, ang bilis, ang stricto.
He's too nice.
Boss, I want you to chase me.
To chase me.
Can I have a hug? Love for you. You
Ang
mad at me?
kupal niya, boss!
Okay. Look at that ass. Sorry. I'm gay.
Okay, skip natin dito sa part na para siyang bata na nakawala for the first time. Parang first time niya sa Maynila, literal.
Dude had a walkie-talkie.
Grabe, nakakahiya. Ako na lang rin nahihiya sa kasama nila eh. By the way, yung kasama nila, kilala ko,
God, bro.
si Sly Kane.
15 shots of fucking espresso.
Yun nga.
Gago, harassment na yan. Skip na natin dito. To, tingnan nyo to. Tingnan nyo kung gaano Kaisip bata tong putang inan to.
Freestyle, motherfucker. Beat it.
Nakakahiya.
B-boy moves.
This, oh, fuck, I just broke my elbow.
Too heavy with the big body.
Guys, kung ikaw, sikat kang vlogger, 10 million followers, sumikat ka dahil sa mga ganitong klaseng content, nagpapapansin. Pagdating ng araw, pag hindi mo pag binago yung content mo, tatanda ka na lang. Malalaos ka, ginagawa mo pa rin tanga yung sarili mo pero hindi ka na pinapanood. Ganyan ang mangyayari sa'yo. Ito ang example niyan. Isang isip bata na tumanda at hindi na niya alam kung anong i-vlog niya. Siguro palaos na to kasi yung mga videos niya sa YouTube wala na masyadong views eh. Siguro dami rin na itong problema. Tapos 33. Take note, 33 lang tong puki ng inan to. Ako 34 ako pero pagkumpara niya yung mukha namin, syempre mas fresh tayo. Ito, puntay na, mukhang sinapak na ng ilang beses.
Damn, you're at 3'2", boy.
What is that?
3,293.
Oh, mas matanda pa ako dyan.
3,293 because you're still on front page.
Ayan ang problema, may hype man eh. Ito si Slykin, hina-hype pa niya eh. Guys, pag kayo ginanyan, anong gagawin nyo? Comment nyo.
Bro, come on. Next time when we stream, excuse me, sir. Security, come here. I have a question for you. Can I give you a kiss? No, I have a question for you. I'm the new general in town, motherfuckers. Child, they down
Took
on
the They say keep it, speed run, jail time.
Boss, I want to change. I'm sorry. Can I change? Sir, I'm joking. Sir, listen to me.
Yes, sir.
May sakit po siya.
Dispatch.
May sakit po siya.
I'm a homosexual.
Pakipatay mo, sir.
We should probably go
They're
now.
telling me to turn it off.
You're gonna turn it off, right?
No, it's
Let's
not.
get out of here because
Halata mo talaga, no? Nahirapan dito, iiri yung nanay niya. Kawawa yung nanay mo sa kanya. Puta.
they're going for backup.
Outside that way.
No, let's go eat. Why are you looking at me like this? That's right. Bow down to the king. Oh, what? You have a problem? You have a problem?
Oh.
You have a problem?
Kapakay mo nga.
You have a problem? Yes. No. What are you gonna do? Hello.
Di ka puta.
Hello. 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 Papa, paparazzi, you are blessing God on a paparazzi. Paparazzi, paparazzi, you are my queen. Paparazzi. You're following us, bye. Give me this shit. Paparazzi. Paparazzi. Paparazzi.
Itong taong to, halatang may tama to eh. Hindi to normal eh. Ang lakas ng loob eh. Siguro meron tao nakatira. Ayoko na magsalita. Kayo na lang humusga.
I think it's this way. That way. Shangri, that way. It's on the other side.
Run, bro. Faster. Faster. fucking faster, bro. They won't recognize me.
They're gonna call more security with that one.
Kita nyo si Kuya o nasa likod o ito. Kita nyo. Oh. Gago. Ang dami niya inagrabyado.
I look like a different person.
Oh, dude, they're gonna call security because you got that.
Give it to them. You give it to them. No, yeah.
Hey, something.
Guys, promote ko lang muna to. Yo guys, so promote ko lang ang Apex Gaming. Ang Apex Gaming, ito, isang libangan lang kung meron kang extra cash. Gusto mo manalo ng pera, bagay na bagay ito sa'yo. For 18 years old and above only, please bet responsibly. Nasa comment section yung link nakapin.
Shut up. Shut the fuck up.
Please, please, please.
Here you go.
Thank you. You're
I want to get away from my mom. Yo, you need to speed it up. Mom, stay away. Mom, Mary, keep my mom away or I swear to God.
Narinig niyo yun? Paano siya magsalita sa nanay niya? Grabe. Kung alam niyo, meron pa akong isa pang content na ginawa. Just wait till you hear what he says about his mom, how he talks about his mom. Meron akong isa pang content. Papakita ko sa inyo kung paano niya tratuhin yung nanay niya.
Things gonna end bad. I'm gonna get arrested. Oh no.
Panoorin niyo yung susunod kong content kung paano niya tratuhin yung nanay niya.
Oh no, mommy. Oh no, mommy. Oh no, mommy. I'm gonna get arrested. Excuse me. How do you get to Shangri Hotel? I know, but how do you pass the other side? What floor?
Let me go up. One floor.
Yeah? What about eating my ass?
Ang na walang modo eh, no? Papansin lang eh, no? Alata mong laos na eh. Wala na eh.
Cardio, bro. Come on, Kane. Hi, how do you get to Shangri?
Shangri-La.
Oh, look, yeah, they took the ass. Yeah.
Shangri-La po.
Tignan mo yung, tignan mo yung dila niya, oh. Yan, oh, tignan nyo, adik, oh. Tapos ang hilig niyang tignan yung mga puwet na lalaki. Siguro napuwetan to. Nakulong pa nga to, eh. Proud na proud siya na nakulong.
Nakita ko na si Jobs.
One and then there. Okay.
Okay na.
Yo, come here. What's the charge here? Will they arrest me or the cops will just tell me to stop or I'll get arrested?
You might.
I'm a
get
tourist.
arrested.
What are they gonna know? Okay, they arrest me. Is it like a bail
For
here?
like disturbing the peace.
Will yeah, that's the
obviously.
whole title. Will I get out?
Yeah.
Will I get out of jail next day or no?
I don't know.
Oh shit.
I have no idea, bro.
Well, how about this? Turn the light off. No. I was kidding. I'm gonna swear to God. What you gonna do? Beat me.
Shangri-La is here.
Shove it up my ass. Shove it up my ass. Shove it up my ass.
Pasensya na kuya.
Puta.
They don't give a fuck.
Yeah, here.
It's my mom that's making it. I got it. That's it. I know where we're at.
4,900.
4,900. Let's break the 5K, chat. Excuse me, madam. I'm gonna fucking rob you if you keep walking away. I want to give you money. No, okay. Okay, because you got a COVID mask, you liberal fuck. Go.
Tanginan to, bastos pa sa matanda o walang modo. Kung ako nandyan, pag nakasalubong ko yan, may kalalagyan yan. Tayo na mas okay pa si iShow Speed. At least si iShow Speed, di ba? Hindi awkward, hindi papansin tulad na itong kupal na to.
Get your vaccine. I was trying to give you money, but all right. Good morning. That's my only fan left in the chat. come on, come in front of me, bro. Since I don't have any fans, since I fell off my only fan, bro.
With the giant ass fucking fan.
Excuse me, coming through. You want to get knocked out? It's coming through. It's my only fan left, bro. Where's the hotel?
Is this the hotel?
Yes. Excuse me, sir. I buy this from the store.
Shangri-La po ito. Saan po yung Shangri-La?
Dadali ba sa room yun, sir?
I buy this in the store. Watch. Come on. I stayed in my room number.
Room number, wait, sir. I will...
Bro, this is my fan. I bought it, okay? Bye.
Sige, sir.
Bye.
Walang
Scott.
ano eh, no?
There's a problem.
Skip natin dito. Ito.
What the fuck?
I'm hot. I'm hot.
Okay.
Don't you want to scan me?
What the fuck?
Look at this. Look, hey, boss! Shish!
Pal!
Told you it's 9 inches. Thank you.
Ayun na kung ako yan, sampalin ko yung
I
putang
stay
inang
here.
yan.
Thank you. Not allowed to film. Shut up. I know. If everyone's texting me, your title says disturbing the peace of Manila can land you 130 days in jail. Skip, I love you, but bro, fucking nobody controls me. If I go to jail, I'll go to jail. I'm a grown man. But you, I respect
Ikulong
you.
na yan! Ikulong na yan! Gusto niya pala makulong eh. Ba't di ko pa nababalitaan ako, hindi pa to nakukulong?
I am. I'm gonna go eat. I'm good. I'm having fun with the chat.
Grabe, nakakahiya. Nahiya ako sa mga kasama niyang Pinoy. Siyempre, nahiya rin yung mga yan.
I know what I'm doing. It's not my first rodeo. And I'm not gonna say, oh, don't arrest me. Here's the money. I will go to jail. I'm a proud man. I love jail. I get it up the booty there for free. I don't have to pay.
Ano yan? I get it up the booty up for free? I don't have to pay? Putang na bakla. Napuwitan pa yata to nung nakulong.
You tell my
Raging Bull
mom.
and
Yeah, we're good. We're just gonna go eat and reset, okay? Everything's good. But tell me, yo, I don't want my mom at my table. I don't want my mom at the table.
Ayan o, narinig nyo, ano ang mama at the table? Kita nyo kung paano niya pagsalitaan yung nanay niya? Panoorin nyo yung susunod kong content tungkol naman kung paano niya tratuin nanay niya. Makikita nyo gano'ng kupal kung...
So whatever you need to do to keep.
Raging Bull is up here.
Ayan. So doon, kinat ko na. Kasi ang haba pa nito, 7 hours yung buong stream. Kinat-cut ko na para makita niyo yung mga parte na nag-viral. Itong huling napapanood ko sa inyo, kayo na bahalang humusga. Kasi ako, pakiramdam ko ito, amat na amat to palong-palo eh. Kaya lakas ng loob eh. Pero kayo, ano sa tingin nyo? Panoorin nyo to, tas i-comment nyo kung ano yung opinion nyo.
No, this is where you're like, baby. Baby, the ecstasy's kicking in. Oh, baby, I love you. This is the best festival ever. I love you so much.
Ano? Palong-palo eh, no? Dito. Oh, adik! Dito, tingnan niyo kung ano pa sasabihin niya.
I was 18, what are you gonna do? Fuck bitches, hookers, and cocaine. Biggest fulfillment, even if I was broke right now, is dear Jesus Lord Christ.
Kayo na lang humusga. Anong sinabi niya? Fuck bitches, hookers, and cocaine. Pagkatapos, praise the Lord. Putang inang hypocrite ito. Alam niyo, kung ako tatanungin niyo, hindi ako papayag na babastusin tayo ng ganito. Na isang dayuhan, isang foreigner, babastusin yung mga kabayan natin na nagtatrabaho ng matiwasay, mapapapansin, para lang sa views. Ito, tag nyo tong putang inan to. Iko-call out ko to. Englishin ko na, ha? Vitaly, if you're still here in the Philippines, I'd like to invite you to a special content. A content that will put you back on the map. You see, as Filipinos, we don't just bark. We don't like barking. We bite. And we're the nicest people in the world, but we're the meanest dogs. And this is a Pacquiao country. And fighting is in our culture. And it would be a shame to let you go away without letting you experience the real culture of the Philippines. So what do you say? You and me, Vitaly, one-on-one. We can make it here or we can make it anywhere. But if you're too scared, you better get out of this country, because we don't need a piece of shit like you over here. You're an oversized baby who doesn't know what to do with life. Grow up. Get out of my country.